This is a news we saw just now, in the afternoon. Daesh claims London attack killing 4 people, UK Parliament. So Daesh claims that they are behind this. This was news in Europe. And as we see just now, this is really at YouTube we did in the morning. We assumed that Daesh can be behind, but we were not sure. But the fact that the Daesh appeared in the table twice surrounding the word terror in the heart of London, so we assume it will be that it is Daesh behind, and now really it is confirmed with the news. So let us need to remember what we did in this morning, people who saw it. So this is really what we did in the morning, before it was known who did it. Just now is a fresh news about the terror which was right in the heart of London, next to the Parliament building, and 4 dead, 40 injured. Yeah, this was the news really all over, saying the title, amazing, the title was Terror in the Heart of London. It was the heart of London. Amazingly, when we looked for the best meeting of the Torah, the terror in London, it came out, the terror in the heart of London. Amazing. So we looked for a terror. This is the best meeting in one book also, Exodus. A terror, the terror by London. Then we realized it was in the Belev, in the heart of London. This was the terror, amazingly, clearly indicating what now the found out, that it was inspired by Daesh. Comes here Daesh, you can see Daesh here, and Daesh here, and the Islam comes here. The Islam was extreme Islamic, and Mechaber terrorists in the ear, Tavshinai Zayin. So unbelievable, all the details about this terror attack, which was in the heart of London, as exactly once in the Torah, Belev, London. And amazingly, as we said in one book,